Rahul Pathak, an engineering dropout, has innovated a filter which gives millions worldwide safe drinking water for just 2 paise per litre.
Less than 50% of population of India has got access to safe water. Rest of the people continue to suffer from waterborne diseases.
According to UNICEF, chemically contaminated water, mainly with fluoride and arsenic, is present in nearly 2 million dwellings in India.
Studies indicate that human beings can live without food for approximately 30 days, but without water, it is just a couple of days.
This issue becomes even more deadly during a natural disaster as they disrupt and contaminate water even further.
During a natural disaster, the water is contaminated with mostly with fecal contamination and suspended solids, which results in waterborne diseases like diarrhea, cholera, dysentery, and is spread very fast.
To solve this problem, Rahul innovated a filtration device that purifies contaminated water, all without the use of electricity.
The AP700CL is a mobile water filtration kit which uses a micron cartridge to filter out the physical turbidity. Then is passed through an ultrafiltration membrane to filter out the bacteria, and then it passes through a static chlorination cartridge to induce chlorine to mitigate the secondary contamination.
Rahul has responded to about 50 natural calamities so far, joining hands with various NGOs across the globe. Each drop counts and each life counts. For more such inspiring stories, keep watching The Better India.